Hi guys, Jennifer here. Welcome back to my channel. I finally have the 2 waterfall journals finished and I thought I would share that with you. This is a design team project for Crafty Me Shop, and I'm using her laces and her appliques and some stuff from my stash, but mostly her stuff. And I also use some of these. On this one I use some bits from Rusted Angel. So I just put some of her rhinestone pieces on here. And so those so these waterfall journals will come in this canvas bag, and I decorated it with this removable snippet. I'm sorry guys, these are sold. I had one on order and then the other one was in my shop and it just sold. So I just wanted to let you know. I will probably make some more in the future, but I can't promise you, so I apologize for that. So let's see, the lace snippets are 9 by about 5. Yeah, about 9 by 5. And so they're nice and chunky. And then this bag is like 10 by almost 9, well, 8.5 inches. Okay. So it fits the journal in there perfectly. So I'll just show you this one. I have a ton of layers on here. I just call them my fluffy jeweled snippets. And it looks so cute. And I just kind of decorated the handle because I didn't really like how it looked. And I just wanted it a little bit softer so that when you take this off, which is attached by these clips, it still looks pretty. Okay, so I will show you the lace snippet and then I'll open and show you the journals. So this one's super blingy. All kinds of different goodies in there. And then I did the same here on the handle with some sari silk and these cute little flower trim from Crafty Me Shop. All right, so I'll go ahead and, whoops, I'll open this one first. So this is how the journal came out. Super pretty, lots of layers. I think it turned out really pretty. All the layers, and then I decided it needed some dangles, so I added some buttons and these little charms and stuff. And this pretty applique here. There's a couple pieces of applique. This gorgeous lace, all from Esme's store. So I tied this journal here with on the outside with some sari silk, so you could take it apart and you can, you know, do whatever you would like to with the pages. So it opens like this, and you'll see that I use the lace masterboard to make all my embellishments, and I made little tucks with them. So the skinny ones that I made little tucks. Aren't they cute? Love that. And then here's one of the little pieces that we made. We're all backed. I used some of my coffee dyed and mica powder papers. I added some letters in here to write on the back of. And then here's some of my Pearl Elegance papers, along with some that I used to create the embellishments with. So these are really pretty. And I mean, I left that open. You could tuck in something if you needed to, or you can write on here. Super cute. And then these beautiful laces are from Esme's store here. I added this little dangle. So you could take those off and use them. There's a place to write, or you can write on the back of the journaling cards and the tags. Isn't that pretty? And then here is this was from the Pearl Elegance. And then inside is one of the little ephemera pieces, and you can write on the back of that. And I just use a little Velcro there, and I put that down here. I love this one. It has like an iridescent AB look to it. It's very pretty. And here's the center, and it has the pretty paper from Pearl Elegance. This is one of my favorite collaged pages. And then this gorgeous lace here and on here. There's some more paper. I tucked in up there, a little tuck. And then this pretty like bow from Crafty Me Shop. And then here's a long tag here. Look at this gorgeous lace. Oh my goodness, it's so sparkly. I just thought it picked up the pearls nicely. And then here's another tuck. I tucked in one of these French letters that I scanned in. And I used one of my coffee dyed papers on the back, and you can write on that. Thought that looked cool. Here's another one from the lace masterboard. Some lace and applique there. And here's another lace masterboard journaling card. And then this gorgeous lace here. I sewed all the laces in so that they wouldn't come apart. And then here's some journaling cards. And they're pretty sari silk. And then on the back I put this doily, and you can tuck something in there. I left this part open to the top so you could tuck something in. Super pretty. Okay, so that's that one. And then here's the second one. Here is the next one right here. Whoops. Lots of different embellishing on here. Waterfall. I love the way that looks sitting on your table right there, and that's so pretty. You can turn it like this and use it as a journal. And then, oh, did I show the front? I don't even know. It's very similar to the other one, but just a little bit different. And here I have one of those tucks and some journaling tags from the collection. And then another from the lace masterboard. And here's a little, what do you call these? File folder from, Pearl Elegance digitals in my shop. And this one, it's so pretty. Here's another letter to write on. Some coffee dyed and stenciled, and then this was from the Pearl Elegance collection. Pretty dangles. And then this is one from the lace masterboard. Here's another letter in here, and this pretty applique. You can tuck something in there. And then here's another piece of ephemera. And then here's some digital paper. I left that open there in case you wanted to tuck anything under there. And then here's the center. Isn't that pretty? And then I have this little tuck up right here. That pretty applique, isn't that gorgeous? And then here's another one from the Lace Masterboard. That was such a fun way to create ephemera for my journals. I'm gonna seriously keep doing that because it's the best and easiest way to do it. Here's another one of these. I left that open, but I also put a little paper clip there. And then this is a pocket, so you could slide something in there. And then this is a long tag. Pretty papers. And then here's another tag from the Lace Masterboard. Isn't that pretty? And then this page, tuck the little piece here. I don't know if I had it that way or this way. I can't remember. And then that pretty, that lace, tuck that in there. And then another tuck spot there. And then this big pocket here. And then the back, I left that open as well. So you could slide something in there. And there you go, guys. Lace deliciousness. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lovely project. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun to get out my laces and appliques and just have fun. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. And if you are interested in purchasing from Esme, she has a Facebook group and she sells in her Facebook group. So I'll leave the link below. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.